na ba ito? Kung hindi pa, ito ang top common causes of road accidents in the Philippines. Unang-una ay reckless driving. Ito ang one of the most common cause of road accidents in the Philippines. Pangalawa, drunk driving. Driving under the influence of alcohol is a serious offense and can result in fatal accidents. Pangatlo, distracted driving. This refers to driving while engaging in activities that divert the driver's attention from the road. Pang-apat, overloaded vehicles. Overloading a vehicle with passengers or cargo can compromise the vehicle's stability and handling. Pang-lima, inexperienced drivers. Inexperienced drivers, especially the new drivers, are more prone to accident due to their lack of experience in handling a vehicle. Pang-anim, poor weather conditions. Heavy rain or floods and fogs can make driving difficult and increase the risk of accidents. At lastly, mechanical failure. Mechanical failure such as brake failure can result in accidents. So, regular maintenance of vehicle can help prevent mechanical failures. Yun lang po. Drive safe everyone! Hi guys! Welcome to our segment about interesting facts about vehicle insurance that you need to know. Alam naman natin na napaka-boring pag-usapan ng mga vehicle insurance, kaya ito po yung mga nakakatawa at mga kakaibang katotohanan about vehicle insurance. Una-una is, alam mo ba na may mga car owners na pinapangalanan nila yung mga sasakyan nila base sa mga car insurance providers nila? Pangalawa, in some other countries, pwede mong ipa-insure yung sasakyan mo against UFO damage. Yes, for example, nag-drive ka sa gabi at may bumagsak ng flying saucer sa sasakyan mo. Covered po yan ng comprehensive insurance. Be sure lang na hindi ka lasing pag-uwi mo, baka ibang flying saucer ang babagsak sa sasakyan mo. Baka flying plato, flying kaldero ang makakaharap mo. Pangatlo, alam mo ba na sa Russia, maaari kang makuha ng insurance laban sa pinsalang dulot ng meteorite? Oo, tama ang narinig mo. Kung sakaling malaman ng iyong sasakyan ng bato mula sa kalawakan, you can rest easy kasi alam mong covered ka. Pang-apat, ito rin alam mo ba na in Japan, pwede kang kumuha ng vehicle insurance laban sa mga masasamang amoy ng iyong sasakyan? Yes, pwede kang mag-file ng claim kung ipang-kotse mo ay nangangamoy paa, pawis, kilikili, isda o ano pa man. Pang-lima, alam mo ba na ilang insurance companies ay nag-aalok ng coverage para sa pinsalang dulot ni Godzilla? Pang-anim, ito at somewhere in Middle East, alam mo ba kung isang baka ay nahulog sa iyong sasakyan, ito ay covered ng vehicle insurance? Ngunit mag-ingat sa mga lumilipad na baboy, hindi po yan covered doon. So there you have it, some wacky and weird facts about vehicle insurance. Stay tuned for more, drive safe, and don't forget to laugh a little.
All is well, all is well.